The chairperson of the Governing Council of the National Human Rights Commission, Dr. Salamatu Hussaini Suleiman, said for the past 2 years the panel has heard over 294 cases of police brutality. She said this is indeed unprecedented in the history of Nigeria.
I want to thank Mr. President, the Honorable Attorney General of the Federation, the Minister of Justice, and all other stakeholders who have worked hands in hand with us to ensure that the human rights of Nigerian citizens are promoted and protected, and where violations occur, it is demonstrated.
On his part, the Executive Secretary of the National Human Rights Commission, Mr. Tony Ojukwu San, said he is pleased that the Commission has been able to get justice for victims of police brutality. He said the Commission labored day and night to ensure some sort of closure for victims of police brutality and their families, while thanking President Muhammadu Buhari for availing the funds for the compensation payment.
What we are doing here today is history, because in the history of protection of human rights in this country, it is this present administration that has elevated it to the situation where if rights are violated, those whose rights are violated can be compensated.
Human Rights Advisor and Secretary of the panel, Mr. Hilary Ogbonna, revealed that allegations in the petitions that were determined bordered on extrajudicial killings, enforced disappearance, cruel/degrading and inhumane treatment by police officers. He said prolonged detention, abuse of power, as well as non-payment of judgment debts were also part of the petitions.
A lot of these petitions happened without records. A lot of the policemen involved also are without records. But this panel have been diligent, and my lord and the members have been so diligent in terms of the day-to-day hearing of these cases.
To further urge the National Economic Council that directed that these various panels to be established in all the states and the Federal Capital Territory.
We feel justice has come. Whatever money has been given is not enough to bring the body of our late brother.
My petition was in respect of Matthew Ella and Patrick Ella, who were arrested since 28th of January, and up to date we have not seen.
The panel revealed that some of the victims died before the panel could conclude its investigation, but however, arrangements are being made with their families and lawyers to ensure that they receive their compensations. The panel revealed that 25 of the petitions bordered on extrajudicial killings, 4 of them was on enforced disappearance, 16 on illegal arrest and detention, 4 on illegal confiscation of assets, while 25 petitions bordered on inhumane and degrading treatment. Recall that the Abuja panel held its inaugural sitting in November 2020 and on the 23rd of December awarded on aggregate the sum of 146 million naira compensation to 27 victims of police brutality. From the nation's capital, Joycelyn Elakeche Ada, ABN News.